Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Proton VPN on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Proton VPN app installed. Open the app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will see a list of servers and countries. Tap on the country you want to connect. For example, if you want to access content from the US, select a US server. After choosing a server, tap Connect. Your iPhone may ask for permission to add a VPN configuration. Tap Allow. Wait a few seconds until the app shows connected. You will also see a small VPN icon at the top of your iPhone screen. Now that you are connected, all your internet traffic goes through the VPN. You can browse websites, use apps, and stream content with extra privacy. If you want to change your virtual location, open the app again, choose a different country or server, and then tap Connect. You will now appear as if you are browsing from that location. When you are finished, go back to the app, tap Disconnect, restores your normal internet connection. And that's it. Using Proton VPN on your iPhone is easy and keeps your online activity safe. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.